How you going? It's Mark here. This video is about lighting, and looking at this video you can see I've got a white wall on the back which helps with reflection, and I've got two overhead LED lights, and I've also got a extra light for the lathe itself. You see a lot of videos of the smaller bench lathes and they don't have a light next to the lathe. That's the most important thing. Especially screw cutting, you can see up close, or whether your tool needs to be ground because the point is worn. And as you get older too, sight fails a bit, so yes, good glasses. Good glasses should have protection around the edge to protect your eyes. Yes, so there you go. That's a short one.